Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your R36S console is frozen or not responding, don't worry, this is a common issue. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the quick and the effective ways to reset and fix it instantly. So first of all, you need to try force reset. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the power button of your console for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off. Then you just have to turn it back on normally, and this is one of the fastest ways to fix the temporary glitches and unresponsive screens. Now, even after factory resetting it, your console doesn't respond. You can just simply try our second method, in which you just have to check the battery and the charging. Now, sometimes the device freezes due to the low battery or power issues. So you need to let it charge for a few minutes and then you can try turning it on again. Also, make sure that you are using a working cable and adapter. If your console turns on but keeps freezing, you can go into the system menu, look for the options like restart or reset, and then you can select them. If available, simply perform a soft reset first instead of the full reset. This is also going to help the fixes glitches without any deletion of your data. So you can also check the SD card because the R36S runs on the system from it. So you need to turn off the console, remove the SD card and insert it back in properly. If the issue continues after doing this, the system files may be corrupted or might need to be reinstalled. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.